Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Eric. This week's PPF Pro Tip video, I'm gonna go over how not to remove moisture that's left behind underneath paint protection film. So we got this piece of film over here, just a small piece of film that's installed on the hood. I have purposely left behind some moisture bubbles, and I'm gonna show you guys how not to take care of them and then how to properly take care of them. Okay. So as you can see, we got a big giant bubble right over here, and we got a big bubble right over here. I can still move it around a little bit. I installed this piece of film probably 20 minutes ago, so the adhesive has already started to set. One thing that I have seen people do is they think that they can force the bubbles out. I have done this in the past when I very first got started, and that just leads to a very poor quality looking installation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to get a tad little bit of slip solution on the film. Now this bubble right here, you hear that sound? That's what happens when you force it. You don't want to force it because what's going to end up happening is you're going to have these little snake trails underneath the film, and those may go away in the sun, but there's a good chance that there will be a little bit of that left behind. So you definitely don't want to have to force it. So what you do in a situation like that is you just get a diabetic's needle and you pop it. What you can do though, let's say if you just barely installed this and it's been a couple minutes since you did your install and you notice this big bubble, and let's say if it's right close to an edge, what you can do is if you have your squeegee, you can actually just hit it out. Just like really quick. And that will be fine. It's anytime that the paint protection film adhesive has started to set to the paint and then you force it through, that's when you end up having permanent damage. If it hasn't set and you can force it out, that works too. Always try and avoid having to do that though, in my opinion. This bubble right here, you can see, I mean, the edge is right here. I could easily force that out. But this right over here, you can see now that I've built this bubble up, the adhesive over there is already started to bite. So you don't want to force that. So what you want to do is get a rag. We'll dry everything off around there so I can properly show you guys this. Hopefully the camera is picking all this up. Take your diabetic's needle and just create a bit of a bubble. Poke the side of it. Keep that needle in there and just push that moisture out. Just like so. Actually, there's a little bit left, but hey, you know what? We'll just force that out. That's how you properly take care of bubbles. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment down below with what your thoughts are on the video and whether you have some constructive criticism or any other suggestions what you would like to see in future videos. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more PPF content. Now, before you go, I just want to let you guys know, us at Drive Protected, we just launched our own car care line. So if you head over to driveprotected.shop, I'll have the link in the description of this video. You can check out our new Amped all-purpose cleaner, Megawatt foam soap, and our Recharge ceramic detailing spray. Make sure you use code PROTECTED and you will save 20% on your order. Thanks again.